Out here, headed to go pick up the RV. Headed over to Morgan's house. Got some flat tires, got to deal with. A couple things need fixing. Get it ready to roll. Just picked this thing up. 1975 Winnebago Brave. Been sitting for 10 years. Gonna get started on the Winnebago today. Gotta get it running. It's got no gas tank right now. It's disconnected. Gotta run it off another fuel source. Gotta steal a battery from something else. You gotta stick it in here, move it. I'll show you where. You need to take it from here and put it there. First we gotta steal the battery out of that. Come on, baby. All right. Started gutting the trailer today. Camper, Winnebago, whatever. See how it goes next. All right, so I'm in the camper now. Here's the engine. What we're gonna have to do here, take this hose that I rigged up to the carburetor and add our gas tank to it. Hopefully the gas tank's still working. I haven't checked it since last time. And we got a little gas down there. Been a while since she's ran. I think I had a nice place for this last time. It'd be nice if I had a little ether, but we're just gonna try it. See if it pulls the gas in. I heard something there. I'm gonna have to put a little down the top, I think. This is a cold start. It's been about 2 years. Anything in there? Looks good. Disconnect the fuel tank for a second. Introduce it right down the throat, just like the old times. Let's see what happens there. Let's see if we get her to pop. What a honey. Let's hook up the gas tank again. Alright. This rag from like 19, who knows. It's gonna start and I flooded it. A little manual choke action. I think we needed to get her going more. Pretty sure my gas can is really clean. Okay, that was generous. for some reason. Fuel. No. Need a tappy. Need something to tap it with. I know this isn't what I should be using, but get right. Fuel line blocked? I never checked that. Looks like we're running the battery low now. We might have to do this different. I think the line's clogged from the last time. Not anymore. A little on the mustache for later. All right, now we fixed that problem. Should be good. Have a little gas later for dinner. And my mustache. Okay, try this again. Yeah, see the bubbles. Should have known from the beginning. I just thought, well, maybe she was ready. All right, let's go right from the top. We're gonna need a little gas to get it going again. Suck that gas in. I'm gonna run out of gas before we get anywhere. Feel it burning on my lips now. Why you gotta do me like this? I think the float's stuck. Need something better to whack it with. Hold on a second. When the float sticks, sometimes you just need to give it a little tap. Free it up. A little gummed up from sitting. Let's try this again from the top. Seems like we might be like a little airbound. Yeah, see, I don't see anything happening here. There's gotta be a problem like that. Bubbles, no nothing. Just leaks. Leaks. Time. I feel like this is the kind of content you guys want to see. People out here doing it. So we're out here doing it. I wish you could do it a little faster, but you can see it going in, the air coming out. You can hear it. Sound's changing, it's almost ready. I don't know if you guys can see those bubbles. Oh yeah. up that gas and ran out again. I think I see how this is going. Pull down that. Up on that. Got it all tucked in. Everything's home, sitting pretty.